Ever wondered why React is so popular for web development? In this video, we'll delve into the key features that make React a go-to choice for web developers worldwide. Firstly, the heart of React lies in its component-based architecture. Each component in React is a self-contained entity, a reusable building block for creating user interfaces. From a simple button to an entire web page, components can encapsulate vast complexity. This approach encourages the separation of concerns, making the management and maintenance of large and complex applications a breeze. Next, React adopts a declarative syntax. Instead of instructing the browser step-by-step on how to manipulate the document object model, or DOM, you simply describe what the user interface should look like, and React takes care of the rest. This way, React keeps your focus on the final user interface, not on the process of building it. A game changer in React's bag of tricks is the virtual DOM. React creates an in-memory cache of the actual DOM, making updates faster and more efficient. When data changes, React smartly calculates the most efficient way to update the real DOM, reducing direct manipulation and optimizing performance. Every React component follows a lifecycle, which includes different phases, such as mounting, updating, and unmounting. Developers can leverage these lifecycle methods to perform tasks like fetching data or updating the UI, making component behavior more manageable. React components can also have a state, representing data that can change over time. When this state changes, React automatically re-renders the component, ensuring your UI stays in sync with your data. State can be managed locally within a component or globally using state management libraries like Redux or Mobex. Next on the list are props, short for properties. Props provide a way to pass data from parent components to child components. They're read-only, meaning they can't be changed by the child component, making components reusable and versatile across different data inputs. React also introduces JSX, a syntax extension for JavaScript that closely resembles HTML. This makes writing UI components more intuitive and expressive. Tools like Babel transpile JSX into JavaScript code, ensuring compatibility with the browser. React Router, a standard library in React, allows you to create single-page applications with navigation without the page refreshing as the user navigates. This helps to maintain seamless user experience and application performance. Lastly, React's robust community and ecosystem play a significant role in its popularity. The community continually contributes to improving React, and the ecosystem offers a wide array of tools and libraries to enhance development. Not to mention, React Native allows developers to use the same React technology to build mobile applications. To sum up, React's power lies in its component-based architecture, declarative syntax, virtual DOM, component lifecycle, state management, props, JSX, and React Router. Its strong community and ecosystem, combined with its ability to extend to mobile app development through React Native, make it a comprehensive solution for building user interfaces. So the next time you're working on a web development project, remember, React is at your disposal to make the process efficient, manageable, and enjoyable. Kindly subscribe this channel for more IT-related videos.